Unboxed Wholesale's load ASG 263162GA, which is a massive retail truckload packed with store returns, shelf pulls, and clearance items, to uncover exactly why this manifest presents such a huge profit story for resellers. First, let's break down the incredible math behind the ROI potential. You're looking at a total retail value of over $435,000, but your acquisition cost, just $43,575. Right, so you're basically buying in at just 10% of retail. With over 9,300 items in the truck, your average cost drops way down to about $4.68 a piece, giving you a massive cushion for profitability. Second, the premium brand recognition here is absolutely unbeatable. I mean, we're talking about highly sought-after names that essentially sell themselves. You've got top athletic giants like Nike and Under Armour, trending casual wear from Carhartt, plus premium outdoor gear from Yeti and Shimano. Finally, let's look at the high-value categorization of this mix. Unlike those typical, totally random general loads, over 77% of this manifest is strategically dedicated to fast-moving, high-margin wearables. Specifically, 44.2% is footwear and 32.8% is apparel. Then, that remaining 23% diversifies your inventory with high-ticket hobbies. Stuff like fishing, team sports, and camping gear, opening up some fantastic extra revenue streams. Ultimately, securing thousands of these premium brand items at under $5 a piece gives literally any reseller an elite blueprint for massive revenue.